Well guys, Grid Life Midwest starts literally tomorrow, but as you can see, the FRS is still in my garage and currently up in the air. I think the motor has decided to do Subaru things because as I went to change the oil, well, this stuff came out. Hit that like button to show your condolences. This sucks. It really freaking sucks. This is one of the events that I look forward to driving at the most, but obviously we aren't gonna be competing this year. So I wanted to hop on here and give you guys an update on what's happening with the car. I try to be as transparent and honest with you guys as possible. When I lost my job back in December, the future of the FRS went up in the air. Tracking your car and competing in time attack takes a ton of resources. It's such a stupid expensive hobby to have, but with the support of you guys, my friends and family, my sponsors, I was able to continue to make that push. But now, with this happening, for me, it kind of puts the nail in the coffin. I can't continue to pour resources into a car that just gets driven a couple times a year. It doesn't make sense for me. Don't get me wrong, I love the FRS and I love tracking the FRS. It's such an amazing experience. It's helped me grow as a driver, meet fantastic people, travel across the country. But you guys know that life happens and sometimes you have to make difficult decisions to continue to move forward and make things work. And this is definitely one of those decisions. Now, some of you guys might say, Kevin, if it's just a head gasket, why don't you just fix it or throw a different motor in there or case swap it? And I could do that, but again, that's more resources being poured into a car that just does not get driven enough. So I'm giving a little here to not only take some weight off my shoulders, but also allow me to have more time to work on other projects. I want to be able to work on the GR86 more, and I have a new project coming soon that I'm super excited to show you guys. So with that being said, I am going to be parting the FRS out to make room for the new project. If you guys think you know what it is, comment down below. I'm going to leave you guys with my favorite memories of the FRS. If you guys have followed along on the journey, please share what your favorite memories of the car are. Whether you were able to see it in person or you watched a video that helped you through an install, whatever it is, I'd love to hear it, so comment down below. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up to show your support, and I will see you guys next time. 100. Oh my God, the very last lap, I was pushing as hard as I could. I could feel the tires were starting to drop off.